Hi there, I'm Nyaley and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So today in this video, I will be teaching y'all, or I will be doing a tutorial on how to achieve this easy, natural hairstyle. So if you're looking for a hairstyle that is quick, that is reliable, that will have you out of your house and looking good, this is the video you need to be watching. So let's get to this video. Today's Bible verse is taken from Psalms chapter 34 verse 1, and it reads, I will bless the Lord at all times, and his praise shall continually be in my mouth. As a Christian, it is important that we do not forget to praise the Lord, and in everything that we do, it is important that we give God thanks. So let's get started. I begin by moisturizing my hair with the LOC method, which is leave-in oil and a cream. I just washed my hair, so it still has moisture, but I'm using a little bit of water from my spray bottle just to be extra. So right now I will be applying the Cantu Shea Butter Smoothing Leave-In Conditioning Lotion. This is the first step of the LOC method. I'm using a little bit and distributing it evenly on my palms so that I can get even coverage on my ends. So right now I'll be adding some oil to my scalp. This is a mixture of vitamin E oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and peppermint oil. So right now I will be massaging my scalp, and it generally feels good, but it has real good benefits. It promotes hair growth and it reduces muscle tension. I am now adding some extra virgin coconut oil to the ends of my hair. Make sure that I distribute it evenly on my palms and spread it throughout my hair, focusing on my ends because, as I have said before, those are the weakest parts of your hair. Now that my hair is moisturized, I am removing the twists in my hair and I'm just stretching it out to show you guys the level of shrinkage. So fun fact about natural hair is that due to the curl patterns, the hair shrinks up. So I have removed the twist from my hair and it didn't take 1 minute or 1 second. I had to do that off camera. So I'm gonna apply the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and this is the last step of the LOC method. So the first one was the leave-in lotion, then the oil, and now the cream. So I'm just gonna spread it out on my palms and focus on my ends because that is the part where my hair is exposed the most. So right now I will be using a wide tooth comb in the color red. Yes, I give a smile here. I don't know why though, but you get the gist. So I'll be using this to untangle my hair, and I will be starting from my hairline going up and trying to untangle the middle of my hair as much as possible so that it will be able to fit into a bun. Be sure to untangle your hair in an upward movement. So start from your forehead and go upwards. Okay, so now I'm going to put the bun. So make sure you get a loose bun so that it's wide enough. My head is a bit, plus size. But make sure you get a bun that is loose and wide so that when you put it up, it will not be tight in your hair. So you do not want a tight bun. So starting from your forehead, you just want to push the bun upwards so that it could reach that part of your hair. So we're not done yet. I'm gonna grab my red one, edge control. So it's maximum control, guys. So it's new. This is how it looks, and I will just open it right now, and I will be taking a little bit, yes, taking a little bit and spreading it evenly on my palms. Spread, spread, spread. This is where it all happens. My hair transforms with this edge control. So right now I'm just placing the edge control over the front part of my hair, and I am smoothing it out to make sure that my hair is laid. That is important. Yes, smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out. Yes, okay girl. All right, so I'm gonna take some more edge control, but I am going to be putting it at the back of my hair. Okay girl, I see you pointing. Okay, and I am going to spread it out evenly on my palms like I did the first time. So I'm just going to let it lay my hair down. Yes. Yes, laid girl, laid. All right, so this is where the brush comes in. I am sure many of you guys know of this brush. If you haven't experienced it tugging at your ears, tugging at your life strings, but I'm going to be brushing the back of my hair, and this is to just blend all the product into my hair so that when I tie it at the end, it will just be smooth, and you know, it will hold for a longer time. I am now brushing the front of my hair so that the product will blend in nicely, but I'll not be brushing the immediate edges, like the area where I didn't brush. I call it my immediate edges, the places I've been struggling to grow for so many years. So for my edges, I'll be using this little edge brush. So I'll be using the comb end of it, the little comb, and just gently combing my edges. So this is the last thing you have to do for this hairstyle. So you need an elastic, something that is stretchy, so you can tie it around your hair to secure your high puff. So I will be using, well, I am using a brass strap, don't judge me, but the brass strap is very efficient in giving you that hold that you are looking for in this hairstyle. It is not too tight. Personally, I cannot handle anything that is tight, so I'm just adjusting it. And right now I am just tucking the loose ends at the sides that they are assigned to. So this is the finished product, but right now I'm just teasing my hair and just adjusting the bands and adjusting the bra strap to make sure that it looks good. So I'm saying this now, but you should definitely hide what's underneath as best as you can. So right now I'm just adjusting my puff, and this is the back of my hair, and I'm just making sure that the puff feels and looks good. So this part is important. You have to tie your hair down so that the product can dry up nicely. So I am using my satin hair scarf. You can use any hair scarf, but I just prefer the satin hair scarf. So it's tied really nicely. So after 30 minutes, I am back and I am ready to untie my hair. So this is the finished product, guys, and I'm just teasing the puff a little bit, but I'm not going anywhere. I think it turned out really good. So the brass strap is still showing, guys. If you're going out, please use something that is not showing, or if you do use a brass strap, make sure that you use a pin or clip to hide it with your hair. So I'm just showing you all the back of my hair right now, and you know, doing a little 360. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe in any order. I would appreciate it. And have yourself a blessed day.